Objection!
Your Honor, I object!
And this is the end of this colloquy.
So House will file a bill, Senate will file a bill, and then they are going to approve that. And then it's going to be reconciled in a bicameral conference. And in that bicameral conference, there is no journal or records of the proceedings. So it's going to be discussed by the representatives of both houses. Whatever is going to be agreed upon, then that becomes the bicameral conference committee report. The BICAM report will now be submitted to each house for their approval. There is no amendment that can be undertaken. So pipirmahan nila yan, yung mga members ng committee, congressmen and senators. And then, yung BICAM report na yan, ibababa ngayon sa each house. I-approve ng House of Representatives yan, i-approve din ng Senate. Then that becomes the enrolled bill.
No?
Ayos and wala nang amendment yan. Hindi na pwedeng mag-amend because yan, favor ka ba dito sa BICAM report? Yes. Nay, gano'n, bibilangin na yan. Once it is approved, then it becomes the enrolled bill. The enrolled bill, ay yun ang papadala sa Malacanang for the President to sign. Ngayon, ang issue is, if there is a conflict between the enrolled bill at saka yung General Appropriation Act, which will prevail? Kung magkaiba yung version ng enrolled bill at saka yung General Appropriation Act ang pinirmahan ng Presidente, ang sabi ng Supreme Court in so many cases, it is the enrolled bill ang mag-prevail. So there is a principle in constitutional law na tinatawag natin enrolled bill theory. At ito ngayon ang hinahanap. Saan yung enrolled bill? Well, it may be in the office of the House of Representatives and in the Senate and also in Malacanang for sure. Meron silang kopya ng enrolled bill na yan. So dito ngayon nagkakatalo dahil inamin nila yung mga congressmen na yung BICAM report, maraming blanco. Pinirmahan nila yon. So yun ang sinasabi ni Congressman Ungab na there are so many blanks. Salita si Congresswoman Stella Quempo, admitting that yung fill in the blanks na yon ay finil upan ng mga members ng technical working group because it was their ministerial duty to fill up the blanks based on what transpired in the BICAM meeting of congressmen and senators. So there is admission na talagang blanco yung mga yan.